that a Palestinian child cannot grow up in a state of their own. Living their entire lives with the presence of a foreign army that controls the movements, not just of those young people, but their parents, their grandparents, every single day. It's not just when settler violence against Palestinians goes unpunished. It's not right to prevent Palestinians from farming their lands or restricting a student's ability to move around the West Bank or displace Palestinian families from their homes. Neither occupation nor expulsion is the answer. Just as Israelis built a state in their homeland, Palestinians have a right to be a free people in their own land. You know, I'm going off script here for a second, but before I came here, I met with a group of young Palestinians from the age of 15 to 22. And talking to them, they weren't that different from my daughters. They weren't that different from your daughters or sons. I honestly believe that if...
Thank you so much. I'm your brother, so great. We need to ask Barrack Obama, why are you standing logic on his head? Barrack Obama is speaking eloquently for the good of the Palestinian people. Although indirectly he speaks as if he's also asking for Israel not to be attacked. But he had not boldly spoken against the activities of Hamas. Barack Obama has not called out Hamas and condemned their crime against humanity. This is so unfortunate. We will demand that Barack Obama stand tall and condemn the criminal activities of Hamas. They are bloodletting, bloodthirsty terrorists. Barack Obama should condemn the activities of Hamas and not just speak as if what is going on in Gaza was caused by Israel. It was not caused by Israel. He should speak up strongly against the activities of Hamas. That is the way to go. Share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless you.
Christians around the world are under attack. 1/3 of the world faces religious oppression, and an overwhelming 80% of the oppressed are Christian. This makes Christians the most persecuted religious group. As we stand here today, according to Open Doors US, there are over 360 million Christians who are facing persecution solely because of their faith